So by now, I hope you already created your first account and you're done creating your business details and your ad account member, and you entered your billing and payment providers. So now we're going to move to the assets. So the assets, as its name indicates, it's a digital assets. It's a place where you're going to store your digital assets. So the first one, which is catalog. If you have a catalog and you want to advertise for these products, you need force to store them in the catalogs. The second one, which is audiences. For example, if you have a big list of emails as well as the device IDs and you want to advertise your products for this list of emails that you already have. If this list of emails and their devices ID they do exist on Snapchat, you're going to store them right here and you can advertise them whenever you prefer. So it says reach the people you care about. Import a list, a big data of emails or device IDs to reach your customers and their lookalikes. So lookalikes audiences or lookalike customers, it's audiences that they do lookalike just the first audiences or the first data emails. They share, so they share the same interests. For example, if these emails are interested in cats, the lookalikes are also going to be interested in cats. They share the same city or the same country, and they are also in the same age. So if you do have this big list data of emails, you can advertise, you can first of all store them in the audiences and you can advertise them whenever you prefer. So the last thing, which is creative library. So in this part, you can create the final looks design for an ad and store it right here. As you can see, I already created two of them and you can use it whenever you prefer. So we're going to go and create one. Click new creative. I personally always prefer to choose simple image or video. Believe me, simplicity, it's the key. Simplicity always drive the best performance. So click simple image or video, and in the name you can choose whatever name you prefer. Food set for cats. The brand name, choose your brand name. Shujara shopping. In the headline, you can choose something that it's going to display in this part right here. For example, you can choose buy three and get the second one, the fourth one for free. Or you can write something like save time as well as money. And make sure this one is on. So shareable, if this one is on, the audiences or the customers that it's going to see your ad, they can share your ads with their friends. So let's upload the media, which is the picture that it's going to be shown right here. The food set. So this one is the water set and this one is the food set. I'm only choosing the food set. Click crop image. And not so we want to drive people to our website. Click website and the call to action, get now. I prefer get now or show shop now. So let's choose get now and turn this one on, this one on. And the last one, which is the website URL. So let's look for a Shopify website that it sells this food set for cats. Food set cat by Mom Shopify. Let's see this website and this website as well. And this website too. It doesn't look like a website, Shopify. So this one, surely it's a Shopify website. So I'm going to use this website as an example. Of course, it's not the same and the exact product that I'm using, but I'm going to use it just an example. So this is the URL. Just select the entire URL, right click, and then click copy. And then go to Snapchat and right click and click paste. And then click publish. So it's not going to be published, but it's going to be saved right here. And you can use this ad design whenever you prefer. As you can see, it's saved from right here. So let's move to the manage. So Snap Pixel. A pixel, it's a code that Snapchat give it to you, and you're going to get to go and paste it on your Shopify store. And what this code is going to do, it's going to track the traffic, and it's going to see what people are doing in your website, and it's going to improve audiences and targeting, give you a better idea what you should do and what you shouldn't do. The last one, which is manage ad. Let's go to the manage ad. And in this part, when your campaign it's going to be alive, you can see how it's performing. So you can see how much money and dollars it spent, and you can see how much paid impression you got, and you can see the paid ECPM. Swipe up, how many swipe ups your campaign gets, and the last one, which is cost per single swipe up. So right now I'm not having any campaign running, so of course it's going to be empty. But once you're going to create your campaign, it's going to show you the details and how this campaign is performing. Let's go to the last one, which is creates.